to check mobile data usage on Samsung. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily check your mobile data usage on your Samsung device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. I'd also appreciate if you hit the bell icon so that you get notified about our latest contents. Let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is access your phone settings. Then you will have to navigate your way to your connection settings. And then once you get to your connection, you will find different options here like SIM manager, mobile networks, data usage, and mobile hotspot and tethering. You just want to head over to data usage. And as you can see here, it will show you all of your data usage on your device. So it will show you how much data you have used in your SIM separately. So if you have two SIM cards, you can check for SIM 1 like this. And if you tap on it, it will calculate all of your data usage on your apps like this. You can also select the date to see your mobile data usage. You can also do that for SIM 2. So if you tap on SIM 2, it will show you all of your major data usage on these months. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.